Welcome to today's video, where we will be exploring the features of the National Instruments PXIe-5673E. The PXIe-5673E is a vector signal generator that is the combination of the IQ modulator PXIe-5611, the waveform generator PXIe-5450 or PXIe-5451, and the RF analog signal generator LO source PXIe-5650 or 5651, 5652. As a combined unit, the PXIe-5673E offers extensive bandwidth for frequency measurements in ranges from 50 MHz to 6.6 GHz. The generator also boasts a memory capacity of 512 megabytes, providing plenty of space for test and measurement applications of all sizes. Here are some benefits for buying from us. If you're interested in purchasing this part or another, you can request a quote by visiting our website at apexwaves.com or emailing us at sales@apexwaves.com. In this demonstration, we will show you the process of using a spectrum analyzer in conjunction with an RF signal generator using the PXIe-5646R and the PXIe-5673E. To begin, open NI Max and navigate to Devices and Interfaces. Expand the NI PXIe-1078 section and select PXIe-5611. Under Associated Devices, locate AWG and set it to PXIe-5450. Next, configure the LO to PXIe-5652 and click Save in the top bar. You should now see NI PXIe-5673E listed under the PXIe-1078 section in the left panel. Next, open the RFSG soft front panel from the top bar. Once it opens, select Device System and a menu will appear. Click on Calibration and select Self-Calibration. When prompted, confirm the action by clicking Yes. Once calibration is complete, navigate to NI PXIe-5646R in the left panel and open the RFSA soft front panel. You should now have both soft panels open side by side. On the PXIe-5673E soft panel, enable the RF output. You should observe a signal spike on the PXIe-5646R soft panel. Next, set the frequency to 5.9 GHz on the PXIe-5673E and match the same frequency on the PXIe-5646R to adjust the center frequency. With the spectrum analyzer, you will need to specify the frequency range of interest. This concludes our tech tutorial for how to use a spectrum analyzer with a RF signal generator. If you have any additional questions, please visit our website at apexwaves.com, where our dedicated team is ready to provide the support you need. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product highlights, how-tos, and industry insights.